Hawkins here with Chickenhawk Farmstead, and today, as you can see from the title, we got the little poly cart, well, the big poly cart from Harbor Freight. We're going to put that thing together, and we're going to see what we think. Seen them in stores before, you know, the display and stuff. Right now, they got them on sale for, what was it, $99. So the big one's actually cheaper than the small one. And what I like about it is I plan on using this as a project cart. I had the black metal one. That was my project cart for a while. Loved it. It was great. Ended up getting a freeze dryer, and now that's its permanent home on there. So I lost my project cart. So this one on sale, it is I think it's like $25 more even at the sale price. But honestly, this thing's thick and durable feeling. And check this out. All right, as you can see, I haven't put it together yet, but we got our packaging here. Check this out, the screws. They give you the screws and the bolts and this hard case instead of like a plastic bag. That's quality right there. I mean, yeah, so far, like I said, this is definitely what I would think that would come from like a place like Uline. I mean, I've used this kind of similar stuff at work before, and yeah, I'm impressed. And that just, I don't know, for some reason that just impresses the crap out of me that they would send them to you like that. And then the instructions. All right, check out how easy this is. That was it. Yep, you saw it. There's your instructions right there, because it is that easy. You know, you got your casters on bottom, screws in, the post, top, tray clips on, and it looks like that little bar. Can't get much easier than that. Guessing these are the uprights in here. Caster wheels are on this one. We're going to throw this thing together and see what I think about rolling it around. But yeah, just initially unboxing it. And then once again, Franklin, if you're looking it up by the name. This thing just screams quality. And for $100, yeah, I think even at regular price, I think it's like $125 would be a hell of a deal. So let's get together, and I'll tell you here in a second if I got any major complaints or frustrations putting the thing together. Here's the finished. Well, we still got to pop this on. That just slides on there, and it can actually go in either direction. Goes on these things somehow. Yeah, I'll figure that out in a minute. Anyways, the big thing is that I noticed, watch where you put which wheels where. I'm gonna put that on the side with the swivels. So, you know, you don't want your two swivel tires over here. Well, I don't know. You might, depending on what you're doing with the cart. I prefer them, you know, on the back side next to the handle. If you prefer them on the front. And that's the cool thing. As long as you put them both on the same side, you can put that on either side. The rubber mallet came in handy to knock those down. The real issue I had, you can kind of see that's not screwed all the way in with these little joints here. You know, to strengthen up these things. Can't quite get in there. Yeah. So, but I mean, there's other things besides a little impact like that you can use, a little thing, or you can screw it in by hand. But everything seems nice. Everything seems solid. The tires aren't the best, but hey, it is what it is. But it's going to be a great little project cart. I might in the future upgrade it with something a little bit bigger. Tires, because I would like, you know, like I'm going to set a bunch of inflatables out here. So now I can put my inflatables on there, my tools I need, drag it out there, do my work, come back to the garage. It does look like we have a brake right here. So that's a bad quality control. I can't foresee that causing any major issues. Maybe that's why I got it for a discount price. You can see there's a little bit of cutting issues, but overall, everything looks good. Everything looks secure. Check back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll do an update in about a year. We'll see if this thing's still holding in there or if it all fell apart. But that's it for now. So have a good one. Like I said, like, share, and subscribe. One quick edit. This I did not put on, and I'd put everything together. This does have to be slid up, and then you have to put this on. That's something I guess that helps hold it on. So I just had to undo these 3 on each side, pop that on, and put those back in. Not a huge deal. Do watch those screws though. They'd be stripping out. So there's that. But looks like it does good. If I upgrade the wheels, I'll definitely get ones with at least 1 or 2 locking casters. That'd be kind of nice. So, all right, have a good one.